home inspection is a thorough examination of a property's condition and is typically conducted by a licensed professional. It is an important step in the home buying process because it can reveal potential problems with the property that may not be immediately apparent. Having a home inspection can help you understand the true condition of the property and make an informed decision about whether to purchase it. It can also help you negotiate with the seller to make any necessary repairs or credits before the closing of the sale. In short, a home inspection can give you peace of mind and help protect your investment. There are several reasons why it is a good idea to have a home inspection when you're buying a home. To identify any potential problems with the property, a home inspection can reveal hidden issues with the property that may not be immediately apparent, such as structural defects, electrical problems, or plumbing issues. Knowing about these problems before you buy the home can help you make an informed decision about whether to proceed with the purchase. To help negotiate with the seller, if the home inspection reveals any problems with the property, you may be able to negotiate with the seller to have them repaired or receive a credit towards closing costs. To protect your investment, buying a home is a significant investment, and a home inspection can help protect that investment by identifying any potential issues that may need to be addressed. And also to give you peace of mind. A home inspection can give you confidence in your purchase and help you put your mind at ease about the condition of the property.